We need to prioritize our goals and needs above the needs of a society that relies on people's hard work and hard-earned dollars. We have priorities the needs of industries above our own personal time to watch our families grow, to build our own legacy. We should not live in a world where humans are second to an industrial money-making machine. This is up to us to prioritize what we want in our lives and demand that it is first above the industrial, job, business, or deal. Today, with AI growing, distracted lives are inevitable. This means we have to put sincere efforts into ensuring our quality of life. The fact that we live in a world where we can clearly see the effects of pollution and neglect of natural spaces. We know we have the least time for this, and it's always plans for a hopeful tomorrow. But in a distracted, busy world, tomorrows are forgotten for work and family priorities. If we want to live in a beautiful world, we have to treat the world like it is important, more important than industrial needs. It's been said that if you make a personal pledge, you will more likely commit to something and stick to the commitment. This has been proven to help people reach goals and build up towards milestones. To gain perspective on this, you could pledge anything. To yourself, it's personal, and you are in control of accomplishing it. If you make it more public and share your pledge with friends and family, they will hopefully be encouraging. Or it's time you show them what you're made of. Once you feel good about your pledge, you could even share it on social media or at work. The people around you can be a source of support and encouragement in this. That motivating power can take a personal pledge a long way. Here's a list of things a person can pledge covering personal growth, relationships, community, and environment. Personal growth. Commit to lifelong learning, reading, taking courses, etc. Set health and fitness goals. Exercise regularly. Eat healthier. Practice gratitude daily. Writing or verbal affirmations. Limit screen time, e.g., reducing social media usage. Develop a new skill or hobby. Cooking, playing an instrument, coding. Relationships. Spend quality time with family and friends. Practice active listening, being fully present in conversations. Show appreciation to loved ones daily. Resolve conflicts constructively. Commit to healthy communication. Volunteer to help others in need. Community. Support local businesses. Volunteer regularly, shelters, community centers, schools. Join a community group or club. Advocate for social justice issues, inclusion, equality. Participate in local government or school boards. Environment. Reduce single-use plastics. Recycle and compost regularly. Conserve water and energy. Plant trees or create a home garden. Walk, bike, or use public transport more often. Financial responsibility. Save a percentage of income each month. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Invest in sustainable or ethical funds. Support fair trade and eco-friendly products. Pay off debts and avoid high-interest loans. Mental health. Practice mindfulness or meditation daily. Seek therapy or counseling if needed. Set boundaries for a healthy work-life balance. Commit to self-compassion and positive self-talk. Take mental health days when needed. Education and knowledge sharing. Share skills or mentor others. Read a certain number of books per year. Attend or host knowledge sharing events. Teach someone a new skill. Educate oneself and others on important issues, climate change, social justice. This list covers a range of areas that contribute to personal and societal improvement, and each pledge can be adapted based on individual priorities and values. Inkfluence of Art would like to invite you to work on personal pledges. Every month we will share a personal pledge on this list and work towards personal goals in these areas. Use the videos posted as personal guides to start you out and help build your routine. Let's start with a pledge to the ecocentric laws of the universe. What about making a statement to contribute an hour a week to ECO or healthy evolutionary progress in the world? This puts priorities that affect your personal life first above work or industrial needs. It also puts the future first too. Industries will come and go. This is our legacy. It lives on long after US. Join us at www.inkfluenceofart.com for more information.